Alright, so I'm gonna surprise my dad with my new car. I haven't told him anything yet. I want to see his face.
Yeah, I already busted you.
Yeah, you definitely gave it away.
Shut up, all of you!
No, I already busted you. Let's see the Mustang. Oh, oh, Brett. Oh, Brett. That's so nice. So nice. I said black. Okay, wait. Wait, and it is a stick, huh?
Get your fucking ass in it, let's go.
I will. Let me look. Oh, sweet. Look at you.
Do you know how much this thing's pushing?
How much it's pushing? You mean horsepower-wise?
Now, I know you bought me one and you had one, but yours only had 380.
Yeah. What's
Very
this?
nice.
And mine only had, I think, like 320-ish, because you were whooping my ass. Do you realize this thing's almost pushing 500?
Is it really? Wait.
Like 463 horsepower and 420 pounds of
God,
torque.
Raul is going to be sad.
And you know what's funny about this?
Huh.
This is the first year they came out with independent rear suspension.
Oh. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, they even said it.
Oh, good God, no.
All over the internet. I've done research.
Oh, you live
This
in
is the
Nevada.
first year. It's a 2015.
No. The GT, the pucker butts had. Then they were taking them out and putting 9-inch rear ends because they were blowing them up. Swear to God, honest.
Okay, well that's what they said. First year they came out with independent rear suspension.
Yeah. No,
And it's
that's
got
really nice.
4 different modes.
Settings. Yeah. No, that's really nice, dude.
All right, so this is me telling my dad about my car.
Congratulations. Way congratulations. Way cool. Way cool. You got something.